Oh yes, I love to hear Patrick Gentempo speak. Looking forward to that. Oh, and Guy Reekman's going to be speaking as well. It's hard to narrow it down.
Well, I really enjoyed Steve Judson, and I never heard him speak before. I thought he was great.
Like Josh. Josh was great, man. He nailed it.
James Chestnut. He's got really good information, as well as Sherry Tenpenny.
Oh gosh, there's so many. Dr. Leslie Hewitt.
So many though. It's the best is always here. That's why we're here.
I'm looking forward to Del Bigtree today, and Suzanne Humphreys, and the highlight will be Billy DeMoss, because I love Billy DeMoss.
Robert was amazing. I like Robert. He definitely is a very good speaker, and also his stories are amazing, and he got me excited.